Welcome to my channel. My name is Darrell. I'm 63 and I'm basically a do-it-yourselfer. I'm gonna go over various tools that I have in my garage and in my basement. I have some Craftsman, some Ryobi, some even other brands, but mostly Ryobi followed by Craftsman. They've served me well over the years as a do-it-yourselfer, but are they good enough for Primetime? You decide. Just wanted to share you a little tool I picked up. I was in buying some other things the other day and I saw one of these 4-volt Ryobi screwdrivers laying around, and my last battery operated screwdriver kind of bit the dust, so I was due for one. So let's open this thing up. It comes with a USB charging cord, a couple of bits, and the tool itself. It's kind of what I was hoping for, something similar. I had an old Craftsman years ago. Don't see any tool storage, so that's unfortunate, but I don't have it on lots of other tools, so I guess that's not that big of a deal. This is running currently $24.95. I'll have a link in the description if you're interested. It is the FVD01. Obviously, it's locks in there. Forward, reverse. I should have wrote down RPMs. I'm sorry. RPMs is up to 250. It has a light, which is always helpful in the dark, of course. It's 4-volt, and it does have the internal battery, so you don't have to swap batteries in and out, which is good in some ways, but in other ways, if you're needing to use this for a big job, which I personally wouldn't use this for a big job. This is a grab it and go fix something quick. But if you needed it for a bigger job, you probably want to go on up to the $50 one that has the removable battery. But just for a handy screwdriver that your wife can use, you can use just for a quick job, this is it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. Suggest a tool you might want to see. I'm mainly into the Ryobi line. I have links in the comments. If you need the tool, use that link. You might save a few dollars. Also, it doesn't cost you anything, but it does help my channel and helps me provide this kind of content. Until the next video, y'all take care.